More than 200 exhibitors have registered for the 7th SADC Industrialization Week. Achipere mushe muri Zimbabwe toona kuti mamwe macountries aiwa ari interested kuapoda the 7th Industrialization Week chaitwa munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa iyo yeSADC ichaitika this month end ichiextenda mukutanga kwa August. Sare pina mashoko abudanyogwa neSADC uri subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina paindo payo wanyora vachiti more than 200 exhibitors have registered for the 7th SADC Industrialization Week scheduled to take place in Harare, Republic of Zimbabwe from 18 July to 2 August 2024 at Harare International Conference Center. The 7th SADC Industrialization Week's theme is promoting innovation, unlock opportunities for sustainable economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. The event aims to promote industrialization, showcase investment opportunities across various value chains, and facilitate networking among stakeholders in the industrial sector. Do mashoko atikona rikuitwa panapa ndi SADC vachiti aiwa more than 200 exhibitors are to register. They want to hold this 7th Industrialization Week chaitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Aiwa muri Zimbabwe tiudzei mafungiro emuri kudii pamusoro pemadevelopments aya ari kuitika muchiona aiwa Zimbabwe ichihosta this Industrialization Week as a first step towards aiwa kuuya kweSADC ichiuya ichizoita uchairmanship ichipawo chairmanship munyika yeZimbabwe. Tiudzei mafungiro enyu pinai comment section yedu and kuti usavano subscribe kulike chidon'tina on the bell icon.